All right, our last one. Okay, just like the last one, it looks daunting in the sense that it's just a super long equation. But again, it's not as hard as you think, as long as right you abide by the T chart, so that way you're not doing everything in your head. Right now, you might get good enough to do these things in your head, but as for now, you got to do the T chart. Even I still do the T charts, especially for the really difficult ones. Okay. All right. So let's write down what kind of atoms I have. So I have magnesiums, I've got chlorine, I've got sodium, and I got bromine. Remember, if you think that's an capital I, it's not. It's a lowercase l, right? So now I've got magnesiums, I got chlorines, I got sodiums, and bromines on the side too. All right, let's count how many of each one I have. So magnesium, since there's no number there, it's a 1. Chlorine, that's a 2. Right? Na and Br both don't have numbers, so I know that both of them have only one atom on this side. Okay, that's the base. So Mg over here has no number, so it's a 1. Br2, there's 2 of them. Sodium and chlorine both also have 1s, so I know that those aren't. Okay, so now I know that what? The chlorines and my bromines are messed up, right? Magnesium and sodiums are good. Okay, they might get messed up, but who knows? So let's figure out which one we want to fix, right? But before we do that, let's put our boxes around everything so that we know I can't change what's inside the box, right? I can only change the number that goes outside the box. So I'm going to look at it and go, I think I'm going to fix the chlorines first. So there's 2 on this side. There's only 1. So I'm just going to multiply this by 2, right? So I'm going to change that to 2. But remember, I'm also changing what's inside the whole thing. So I'm also multiplying the Na to be 2, right? So I kind of messed that up. But it's okay, right? I think that I'm going to be able to fix that pretty simply. So now I'm going to come over here and I see BRs, right? Since I have 2 over here and 1 over here, I just need to multiply this by 2. So now I just make that into a 2, right? So they're equal. Now what's the nice thing is, guess what? My sodiums got messed up, right? But a sodium is connected here, so now I just have to multiply this sodium by 2, and it actually fixes everything out. So magnesium now is 1, chlorines are 2s, sodiums are 2s, and BRs are 2s. So now this is a even clean fix. So that's a 1 and a 1 there. So when my answer goes in, it's a 1, 2, 1, 2. And then my T chart goes right there. And that's it. That's balancing chemical equations.